Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to find your headphones Soundcore P20i. You have to start by open the application and now click on Find Device. And right here we can play a song for the left one and right one earbud, or for both of them. So just click on it and click here also if you want to. And to increase the volume, just increase the volume on your headphone. And now, as we can hear, it starts to be more louder. And when you find your headphones, just click to pause it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.